Verse 10 is very simple. If your ministry doesn't go according to verse 10, you can never bring revival to you. In fact, if you're a good preacher, there are people you are talking to that are more wonderful preachers than you. So your grammar, your eloquence, your expression don't move them. Look at what moves them. Verse 10. Can we look at it together? Ezra chapter 7, verse 10. Let's read together before I say number. My version is New King James Version. I don't know your version. Or is it on the screen? Yes. What version is that? Yes. King James Old or New? Okay, read from there, I read from my own. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ezra. For prepared his heart to seek the law of the Lord and to do it and to teach statutes and ordinances. Where? For Ezra has prepared what? His heart. If we must have true revival, look at the sequence. Look at it there. He prepared his heart, first of all, to seek the law of the Lord. Today, many of us have brought the Bible where it is good to read. I read a lot. But no amount of knowledge can replace or compete with the authenticity and the authority of the Scripture. For one of the great church fathers that contributed to revival in the either 6th or 16th century, John Stott, he said, until we return back to what Martin Luther placed on the door on the cathedral during the Reformation, we cannot have revival. One thing he noted, he said, no matter the traditions of the church, no matter the reasonings of the men of high caliber in the church, until we uphold what we call sola scriptura. What is sola scriptura? Scripture. Only Scripture is the unquestionable manual for revival, for church ministry. Sola scriptura. Today, many of us who preach are even challenging the authority of the Bible. Something happened recently. It's a painful thing though. But some of you who are large, we know that the church is contending with something now. What is that? The this year gospel singer, Osinachi, that was allegedly killed. Allegedly, I was not there. By the husband. Do you know the danger? That's why we're talking of revival. Are you now aware of the danger that situation has brought to the church? Pastors have been preaching it now. Pastors are now challenging the authority of the Scripture. What are we suggesting now? If this marriage is working well, walk out of that marriage. It's better to stay alive. Wow. We are now treating effect, forgetting the cause of the problem. In the first place, how did you get into that marriage? How was God involved? To what extent? When you are traveling without God and you meet obstacle, you want God to come and clear the obstacle. Is God a doubt? This is areas when we talk of revival, we have doctrinal challenges now. Because we're not ready to seek the Lord. We want Christianity of confidence. Tell people, and when a pastor, I was listening to one of the men, whom they respect and follow high, well, wonderful in our nation and beyond. He was talking with much energy and enthusiasm. I said, from today, let me tell you, sisters, if anybody beats you in this church, just call me, we will gather brothers to come and give him the holy beat. And he said something, he said, when they are coming, we will commit the beating into the hand of God through prayer. And I look at some of the girls that were heading, ooh, that a time, do I ask you a question? Why don't you hear of persecution of Christians now on individual basis in your offices? Revival does not come through prosperity, it comes through persecution. Go ahead, read your Bible.
Okay guys, thank you for listening. I'll post the full message on my next video. Please do subscribe so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you.